Hello my lovely viewers, in today's video will be a short update on my keiki orchid plant. It's time to water them, so I kept this orchid just to show you a short update on how it looks like. It's doing very well. It has a tiny flower, white flower in full bloom. And I've noticed yellowish leaf, and I will cut it to focus the orchid energy to grow maybe some roots over here on the keiki. More blooms will come. Look how beautiful the color is, pure white with some yellowish and a little bit of purple inside. Okay, it's time to cut this yellowish leaf and give a little bit of water to this lovely orchid. I have my scissor again next to me, the herb snipper. Do you see the difference? I have in this bottle some rainwater that I collected, so maybe once a month I give them rainwater instead of tap water. So today I will water them with rainwater. And because it was so dry, was no more moisture inside, this time I will water more, so I will pour more water in and I will drain it with flicking over the glass. Now it's time to add some orchid mist. Just a few spritz here and there, a little bit over the leaves. Clean the glass of any moisture. Arrange the flower. And that's it. I'm very happy. Hopefully soon we'll have some roots, but I think for the moment the orchid is focused the energy to have these beautiful bloomed flowers, so it will take some time until we'll have roots, but I will keep you updated. Until the next time, all the best and bye bye.